So the next biggest change for us with Limitless for the iPhone 17 is all around the camera bump. So as you'll notice, this isn't a real iPhone, but it does give you an idea of what it looks like, and it's much bigger than last year. And this has caused a real design headache for us as to how to protect your camera in the best possible way, whilst also keeping the case as slim and sleek as it has done in previous years. And the easiest way to show you is by separating our case and showing you this PC backplate that existed in our previous cases, but we've redesigned it fully for the new iPhone 17. We've built in a camera bump to this PC backplate and also extended it into the top of the case. And what this gives is real rigidity around the camera bump that fully covers the camera so that it doesn't hit the floor, and much more rigidity to the top of the case. So if you see here, what we are really aiming for is as little movement here as possible. And the reason for that is it just makes the case far more durable and far less likely that your phone will fall out. This protects both the front side of your phone as well as the camera bump. And it was a big design change for us, but we think we've got to such a good answer where that rigidity is really there, despite the much larger camera in the iPhone 17. So just to emphasize this point, I've got a competitor case here that is just an indication of what happens if you don't build that in. You can see how much flex there is at the top of that, leaving this case far more open to warping and also making it much less protective because your phone is not as rigidly in there and the camera bump isn't as rigidly protected. So the phone's more likely to fall out. Whereas with our cases, because of that new design around the PC coming up and the camera bump built into it, it means there's so little flex there, and we've able to keep our cases incredibly rigid despite that massive camera on the new iPhone 17. Or other competitors have these ugly full coverings that are completely unnecessary, offering basically no protection, ruining the look of your phone, and worst case, possibly blocking your camera lenses. And if you don't believe us that's the wrong way to do it, then look at what Apple have done themselves.